I was for your baby ye to adwumade so ene komodidi no nyina fa kese na begina Martinamidu so nko a na no pay Honorable Carlos Kingsley Ahenkra Tema West and part of Bantama constituency MP and I no pay what come here.
Yeah,
I hope say Bantama for boomfu.
That my own then about what am I going to Bantama?
That's my catch on that. Except me who post our Bantama and I say na Bantama dear.
Now they are we a friend is saying big walkie. He said we me t-shirt preachers on banner. My t-shirts be breathing in them.
I'm saying to my West phobia copy Bantama. I was say a track
Bantama will be a Hoya center.
You know,
will be a
Florida. Bibia or
Hobia direction.
By the way, what we no Bantama watch be or yeah starting at 9 p.m.
Anajo.
Yeah.
Anajo watch.
Anajo watch. Until no 7 I forget it 2 nyabi. No 9 until if 9 ekono. Ti ufi nkran ko duru ho anadwa si pampa so na fa ka akoba ntama udu ho a e ba ko bi so mango down crofo timi to free kuma se the bank ha bidi.
I see. And if I come up with say a parliamentary kind of wo say asenso
buachi bantama asenso buachi aha right minu mo bantama nyina me chia mo ne ma me no anti rose kwa na ne fosu hene mo maka ma mo di nyina no time ni ntidi ma mo nye bibia ntia menyi obi amu. Honorable.
Yes sir.
And next story is nyina Amidu punches holes in Shraj report and then resigns as special prosecutor. Martin Amidu resigns as special prosecutor. Resignation of appointment as special prosecutor with immediate effect. Oh, Monty Obia, Martin Amidu, we on one letterhead so, and or the Troy. Or true be more man penny, no, as answers what should be a public and so. Daily Post says Martin Amidu resigns as special prosecutor, cites interference from Akufo-Addo and threats of his life over a Japa exposure. Statesman pe ena one front page no has say. The finder says Amidu resigns after 32 months in office. Martin Amidu resigns as special prosecutor, front page of Ghanaian Times. Amidu bows out. You can see it was asem krona. But before then, honorable minister who said then ya a wa shalibutwe ya Babel Bansro. Tower of Babel. See one. And then I become farmer. Now for him, Martin Amidu. So I'm for complain. Almost say, almost dying that because almost said that I say I know.
Tiki, my main now was in an pay menchi or more machine, especially Minuan. Me menum water my west. Na answer the Bocoso crown. Any my who can see Abetu or main. Ye man penina da Rollins. Oja hoko ya chese. Ojin who I want to see. Because one Yariana ho be Yankasi Quacostano pu. At least even ya rechiche. And once a tea and sit Tim Kaya Paperico. There will be an Yankupon for the crazy. Na on chichire na yire na maso rare boy ni papa on the good and bad side and nobody can take that away from him, but I must say at this time and just a moment we na ever be discuss it near about him, the man who occupy a very important position in the history of this country. Inti say bibi sa atwe let's say 2022 na yema areho any a friend saying and Jajemu and Chin didn't too much. Now I am going and some so in Fembram woman Omuma Omirenho Kesi. Mima no Yako anti a friend saying Kunedu and Omo Yako any as an actor my very
colleague in parliament
lady, my good lady or a very I would say that superb person when it comes to Ababa, we kind of say, or Ababawa, she's or a Obama because a gentleman, or a lady, and I think in the afternoon, Obia and worship for even the enemy. Say, Uncle was that to political career, say, Uncle Papa, experience, go back guide, na Putupra, Papa Nejaho. But na memfa the currency na onso ne mu na onfo munyin.
Ana bo se na beto aso no ma menka se NDC rep no onya medru ye. Nti se ye obedru a beto ankomo no so. But the caveat is that never pontem. Nti nkomo na ne ahya ase no.
Me da se. Tike wo kai a wo heya na betran. Kasa ba dan bi ebubuye, especially mekom di etwa mu ani nche bi adan bi bubu sa me betra han mu ka ho sa. Ye ka ba nsu eto a echi enkrofo anase fan krofo di onko because residence waterway mu ni ade. Yeah. Now a question bi sa ne say, and a question me bi sa ne say, sa dan ya e could do say 1 2 3 4 5 6 is flowing. And almost 30 ye no ye hu. Eto so mienu omo permit and also money permit. Okay. Because we be my permit for Saturday we are. I see it me nipa ko ma permit. I see it me etutu da no. Ehwe say bibia okay. Because o see a friend say World Trade Center Ibugu American. I know bezo see replica.
Twin tower. We single tower.
Because me dream one mentia say me akasa bribe by virtual appraisal of a dynasty one grand. What to me who say e dana hodin. I said Ibu a friend saying or down kwan so I said ne kwan so ya
achimbata
see what che na which one who die na was dana kasa achia in so many areas. One more in charge of a friend saying adwumen and as a adwumadi they see it every day. And when me see EPA for a stop it some moment to adwuman so. Yeah. No be a sister story here. We see through this stage. Oka on stop here. Ubi buegu. And as on stop the man and twaso. None is kanshi. What is the structural integrity of this building that we see right now? How are we going to even assess? Said that it would be 10 years, and not 15 years, and not 20 years. I think that we need a lot of explanation, not from the owner of the building, but assembly crew, building inspector or town and county planning header or sheho, EP, all these people must come and tell us how this building came about. Because what main friend saying, beam no credit fifina, who knows that chair.
Yeah. As per baby a tiny picture na ho.
A picture na ho no. Who knows that chair.
A man for some atuni say Botwe Villaggio.
Waju. Oh, what knows that chair. Me say what share no keke crowd was the structural integrity of the building is questionable. Enti mestre say my mass had you in twatwa so. Ye ka say na sure say bi kura so si baby. Yeah. I know by say o mindful ebedi a friend say ebe boy ya. Obi ohun se bibi say si baby bia say ya. Odwen say ebohu no twa photo da fabra UTV for. Me sure somebody and somebody beto mo bi ahwe because I have a serious challenge not with the owner of the building but people or the person who allowed this building to come. Now you so is the middle of everywhere. The center of the town and as the city. Say adi buko na chi ebekum nipa. Ebuko na benkum and as the ebupa na nim kura bekum cars ebekum nipa. We shouldn't allow something like this. Now so be anya plot to fian bia. No person maximizing now they go kanyamieni. Because all the plot won find mama anya hwe. Me maximize go kanyamieni. Na that we kura we see kura se better frache. Omo be high no. Enfa no me park cars. Where is the parking lot for this place? Everywhere surrounding this building is occupied. And where are the people there going to park their cars? And so you be jai amanesi o. You be manesi, you be na start obey ye or first second third floor in any hen. Am what was I could do see. I've never come was him. Intimacy. Say one more share. One more ye responsible in charge of building in inspectorate or that particular community, municipality. They should question the people who gave the opportunity and as the permit for this building to come out. I think say a death trap. Anytime we are sad we sure the whole kind of ground here a big form. Almost making sure say we don't repeat these things and we will ensure Sansan independent permit grab more the model of the building probably should be part of documents are almost to give the permit out.
Right. Okay. So, any see one kasa make up your mind. Na me sure say experts no so be hujuma. Honorable, have a Yamra prosecutor. Are you going to prosecute the prosecutor in a special way? Zongo Beka say in a professional way.
Prosecutor, say your friend is saying, Asama Abano. Honestly speaking, me kasa me ni hu ya na me boa.
Udi hu ya?
Me di hu ya papa. Adekye say Martin Amidu Obia President Kufuado ewo a lot of respect man. Martin Amidu Obia Ghana fu nyina yewo a lot of respect man. Na yehunu ewo ekwan bi so se oye otrinini anas Obia enuma bi entumi emfa no so mfemba 2005 me kai se President Rollins Bonabaso sa ewo sa a friend saying character ya makai ho. Now ankade na efe se president mi beti office bi sa na ode ahye ni opponent nsa. Matiamidu has never been a member of the MPP. Matiamidu Yekida from the PNDC time. Oremu abeye NDC at a point cry okoye ono aka be say shadow vice president. Enti Matiamidu enye obi a owo any affiliation with the MPP party. Na me hu bi da say Africa ha president bi ebenya sa opportunity na ode second akwakoshe ni opponent say onfeme wonachi. It doesn't happen because Africa your democracy etiase na winner takes all. And this NDC the be winning power na anything and everything concerning government openings and as opportunities no goes to NDC members. Sa and the MPP so ba yes so yeah. But this particular time, the first time in our history, I attend BBC. In fact, I mean, I say the first time, because I would say so the very first time, President Kufuor, when he had opportunity to appoint somebody to the ECOWAS friends head, Oyibin Chambers. As well, Kayana Ibin Chambers in the Juma 2 while. Yeah, Koko by election. Now, it stands to reason, say, yen the edru so say ye penipa ma dia kwa yen hwe kala especially when we think say woni madwuma no wona abedua ye ma aboa oman no but edru ye nuan mo so a na kwa ye boachi bidin
and sana bedu nuan mo so no will I be right to say you felt comfortable some be format na me do because at the time am fa no na okasetia NDC tina mo ye very comfortable.
No, I don't think so. Matiami do no sebeta fracture akọ ehuriye emoja mpani trimuda. And I can say confidently say, and yet the criticism of MPP and the Matiamidu no. Matiamidu has a certain track record. Say mekano. Obi enim say, why is a PC appeal for it? Or a friend saying anti-corruption campaigner, and he has been doing this since his time with the PNDC. He has been doing this ever since he even entered the Attorney General's office. Enti onyo obi aya sebeta frachi obi. We knew that. We knew everything. But the president at the time felt
in word and indeed.
Well, I would say that
word
both.
And indeed.
Yeah, of course. Because say and I'm because the because
I remember what was so kai baby or na me so bi abetra ha nipa kor me hu nanim ti minim nipa kro
poi
masa oye hwan you were no me help na obi ahwe papa na otoro e be no bruja jamfi
was hwan
e fe no bruja jamfi
was hwan
bruja jamfi
okay we went was hwan no
me say bruja jamfi
hwan no na o guy
no the what betra he
I'm gas so papa no to
na so papa be gas papa
papa no me interest for papa no
enya wo wasem no bi na wo miti
me masem
ye wo ti mi
na so where's your big
ha meti ha say twebo ko
but use the words
enya lawyer adwuma wa
Carlos
and do so oh yeah obi ade na ho to say and one no ka
be ka ogigi mi ko musuo mu a me nko
one no be ka papa na
ye so ogigi musuo mu a me nko ho
eh this is adwuma na edin say it me bow from saying certain choosing certain words
so Look at this man. Look at this man.
Say papa no feel free. Na papa no na heading. Says ya ma papa no akoye bone wa. Tracy me chia no pay abra. Na asema me.
Enti broja onyama na papa no. Onti hey. Wedi kan akasa bia enti suti no na.
Afi no akasa. Na ya na pese me kire say me nuanom NDC for. Yen MPP president Abba wo hwe president Kufuor the way we handle ne ho na ekoba se opening bi aba na se ye open and ye fo se omo wo ehunim dia na se wo experience na se wo efata no esi obi a we mu a president de ban ebi ni your friends ebi nchama dia me ka kire wo ye no to nchen president Mills nyan baby go na me fa ne currency any president Bahama time Alan Martin was due to take over as a director for WTO and I say or show interest so best standing for the WTO president. Our country didn't support him. Our president didn't support him. And no man omo cast omo never support Alan Martin in the last minute omo di papa ni hamo and ma papa ni lusu WTO presidency. Yaba Kufuor president Kufuor time. You see, office of the special prosecutor. Everybody in the country was talking about Kuto Ampao. Yeah, I want people granny and Mr. Kuto Ampao. Or no, so I was the same track record as Martin Mens. But then, your co-opposition, I go for bio. And yeah, this you do not tell me.
Because at that time, not opposition.
Where?
Martin Amidu.
Oh, why NDC? He's still a card bearer member of NDC. You can't change that.
Okay.
And say, yeah, we have track record in the way it's here. Yes, the son you say. What to say and out and Africa. Once you're supposed to be a man, you get the amount. President, the Juma way amount. Now, you're not the substantive issue. I must sign you away by. Ansana ministry be and I say, open be the issues we have call out. No. First thing, I say cabinet assented as cabinet the preso. Cabinet preso we are. Answer now what you mean about friends say parliament for approval. There's no way one ministry would be a chance to say Madrid 1D 1F home. Made them first say at the Papentino. Matrun in. Mommy 1D 1F. No. It has to go to cabinet for cabinet to sit on it. There's no way Minister Bakubit Miaka say my planning for food and jobs. And some idea me first say anywhere Ghana. And made them media to board without going through anybody. The president must know. Inti Ministry of Finance acquire project proposal how to as we consolidate our gains when it comes to mineral royalties. Ena yedi ejapa deal yaba. Yedi buy omo bubu omo hwe the way sit here. Yedi aba parliament approve. You approve we rancor any hue and crier your opponents buy. President say office of special prosecutor beje she mama na me hu any risk and as a corruption assessment or the crack yam and you'll be the report to you and you na akoko for paper no pani and the man say hwema no at least and can believe say anye bia setike wuti hwe for addiction the adi bi show unsa say tike hwe adi mama me pese sa crop of stars yi wo hwe omo performance e wa ha mama se wo wie na se wonya report na se wo hu when you prepare a report, I mean, sure, so report, no, you own that report. It goes back to the Pakro Desbanama. Even if we are a prosecutor, we investigator, somebody's instigated the investigation of this document. Somebody asked you to give him a fair assessment of the corruption impact of this document. And it only stands to reason, say, who we are, document about President Ho. President has been at my name of my first say you know I want to go on. Now president no what transfer no discuss. Why we? What by president ni ho? Na president say try me ba me no be discuss. E bia bona wonim ni ntia watwotwo nyoma bi. Aha ne ba ne say we ye ne say. Waba ono what transfer. Makawi no say okay. This is my project. This is my buying a friend saying a document. Into finance ministry, beje na hwe papa no a friend saying contribution and I said assessment or the abano. Na monye correction na monsan fan ko parliament na parliament nsan hwe bio. Which president what better president can you have in this sense? One can say we ina no BS, and as one can say we ina no Fansen Pakodo. Or say, I didn't have the master of human man. Human say the you see, one can't change the cocoa human say a yeah and I say yeah. That's not what the president requested of a friend Hamidu. One can't just be catch them and say, "Men koso and men koso." One can't just be and say, "A projector, say me mano edimu and answer nimu." There be me say, "Share una we OT office we are share corruption, a friends and risk." Shama me say document na enkrofo kan wan say be because abame ho me dem ahwem me hunu. Me Crawford me no work cabinet yina ya hwim ye say okay they are parliament pass it but me opponents no criticizing tino wonu a wo ye OSP no gina hwem mama na mama wo fair idea about the corruption areas and that's the corruption impact of this document oye we from there breme now we are when you report now you own the report and you want to go to town with the report and you want to do things with the report it is not done anywhere. It is not done anywhere. And to the report by the papa is okay. Send me can finance minister, Brabeji, uno ministry for near papa ne hunu mon fa document to ho. Na monye correction bi ese we will be amonye according to near papa na kan. Na mon san fan parliament for discussion. What again can the president do? Na fe wo sorry I will say ya ma wo kwan M1 toaso anko akopri. Who could to wan? One edi esika wom. One a document paper ne dia ba. Senator Frache says at least in coming out with that document, no, you need people's input. You need a consultant's input. You need people at least to talk to them and pick their minds on some of these issues. But say a Jumananka Sankasta Sati, I'm a generative Skabiabago, ain't happening here. We are now in the beginning, commencement process of the whole thing. Obian ni musika. Obian go we are here. Obian yi woman what me determine says ye premier kwa habegu habepie habebi enti yentuatua ne san fa nko is this bibia edi and yes of 100 resign
also ye wie no atenie mo pehi no krofo tram no e bone ntrani
of Ghana na one any na tem
between 20th October and 2nd November nti some matches ono ankasa afamu no afashi
mama mi sa
no nye no ano
it does catch them say
otwa no onye biem
obezo catch them say time will start ya yarega problem a case no or rashiko quarter ono ehunu say we tutu me content no obi ani natem ndc for in some mo kafa ne ho Ghana ebini opa yen ko refer social media na hwe some ndc for kan
okay
obezo catch them say even Nansenya Airbus
your friend is saying the deputy in trial emoluments
over
your man adwuma the independence has been impeached and some of the bebre
but that is what I don't understand. Nansenya Airbus scandal by I will start your home investigations. What sure a report be just one will report here one line
and sang till 5th February
obani we mami two in free ho Airbus yi eba yi a okokotro just one sentence say government official one say one hwatem didi a friends presidential candidate didi me answer me no me person me state say obi a ye do kokoto public service so and every public service workers woman way you don't immediately get your monument because I don't know what happens at controller. Obe go through a lot of process and you told me about 8-9 months ago na salary mine. Me two my baba is deputy minister for 3 years. Me need salary for deputy minister. Nobody has paid me for deputy minister. I've only up and until now I've only taken salary for a parliament.
But just an arrangement net here.
No.
But so your amount separate salary.
There's supposed to be a top. There's supposed to be a top up.
So and yet separate salary.
Oh, well, if the top up I say separate. Because Sebinfan say me 8,000.
Is it not sort of an allowance being the memo?
Say na make is say no crowns
all right.
Up to now in san can be. And what he is saying, is neither here nor there. I have been here for 3 years. And all my deputy ministers also are even affected by this.
Okay, you are home now, brother. Are you going to prosecute the special prosecutor?
Di kan ma mentia ahwefo ne etiefo nyina. Na mema President Rawlings na busuafo nyina yakọ. Na mema NDC amanyoko ni nyina nso so yakọ ne Ghana fo nyina. Say me can't wait because me de me ho dom NDC because of President Rawlings.
Oh, okay.
Onunti ono pa na me penasem. Na etwetwen me a me be dom NDC. Enti ene oni ho a a very big blow to me ankasa as a person. And NDC amanyoko no so a otie no. Na de bia de hwahwa ye ho se ye de otie party no otie ase. Ye nuanom na de bia omohwe ensamafo so na omosi o na nom omo abewu konti the dom party se na ye wo tiasefo a ono na te party no na ono nti ne nyina ye dom a wahwe ne nkwan se ye ma ye nyina ye ho yakọ na quickly mse obisa me special prosecutor asem pese me te assemble ko be free ho
ansa na betia free ho menka se ese na me Nsroma ene bibinti ye be sori ntam kakra until you have to be guided.
Okay. And ahia na honorable ntiman kasa bio so wakasa achepa
Miss Mother
okay so do amante
Miss Mother be mante
okay asem bia me ya ntina me pese me yi ano okay say bra honorable Alanche Martin pe WTO World Trade Organization penny pa edino President Mills and Tanechi if we say enye asemwa as deputy minister or kankura ebra na honorable Alanche Martin pe World Trade Organization edi animu na President Mills on tia konyaso in fact na wa hwere nkwa President Mahama na tia konyaso
okay
President Mahama nso eta na chi support honorable Alanche Martin the BSS wo bia oye nti se ne because of politics nti e kan semnesa eya lawyer me news report bi am person me kan just one paragraph ma ona we Ghana Business News report Mahama endorses Alanche Martin for WTO post. Okay. After getting the support of the entire 53-member country of African Union, Mr. Alanche Martin has received the endorsement of Ghana's president, John Mahama, for his bid to become the next Director General of the Geneva-based World Trade Organization. In a statement issued December 13, 2012 by the Office of the President, Mr. Mahama confirmed his government support and campaigned for the candidature of Alanche Martin for the position of Director General of WTO. In an address to the 7th Summit of the Heads of State and Government of African, Caribbean, and Pacific countries in Malabo, Equatorial Guinea, on Thursday, President Mahama asked his colleagues to join Ghana to support Mr. Chematin for the position.
Okay.
Inti, it is very unfortunate. Say amanyo semunti yebe kan say NDC for the MPP ni pe bibia yen support no any ade. I think say this should settle it.
Okay. So
the next
the
next one
concede say
no,
it was not a correct position.
No, listen.
Having read this, no. You
see, probably he doesn't understand. He doesn't understand the dynamics of this thing. Coming out and sitting somewhere to Sergeant way comes with money.
It was not just
a lot of things.
It was not just
if I want to go through this. Starting from President Mills' time. When President Mills was alive, it was okay.
Okay, Honorable.
But time and Mills,
I just wanted this to be brief because
what he's reading is just an open-faced thing.
But open-faced.
Everybody does it.
Publicly, he supported him.
But not math.
Publicly.
Who supports Adekye? You need funding. You need funding. Let's go deep down. Let me explain to you.
What you are doing is not helping. You are public officer.
I am telling you what it is.
I've settled the matter.
I am telling you.
I am telling you.
President Mills and support.
It started from President Mills.
Say I would done one no say. Now President Mills is support.
Mr. President Mills was okay. See, it is taking his top everything now.
Don't do that.
If you want a true story, when you see me, I will explain to you.
Don't do that.
I know the integrity of this thing. I know what I'm talking about.
All right.
Say
I'm telling you, trust me.
Brother,
if you really want the truth, I will
flag this discussion. If
you want about discussion, I will explain to you. You maybe what
can sitting
somewhere pronouncing your support for somebody does not explain anything.
Do you
know what went on underneath?
Okay.
The second point, minimum the country I'm cancer because if I'm at Nami do asem no.
All right, so yeah, let's come.
The second point they say honorable PC appeal for you. Now ya ni bosumi mienu and o be public interview. I can say Ebra John Mahama beye mampani no oto ne nsa frɛ no e ka kyerɛ ne sɛ o me boa no na aban mu na onkuntia ketase hye kankan ne proye e ma PC appeal for na kan sɛ onye bibi nti on pese obeje President Mahama nka sɛ PC appeal for ye NPP ni nti obeboa no ma ne ye adwuma enye yi. There have been several instances NDC a support nkofo mo ne ye nya adwene to take critical positions on Bebuama or my Ghana akoso. Martin Amidu nye President Akufo-Addo opponent. Obi obekansa asem ni bia no na chese onim nia na ekoso wo man no. In fact, year 2016 election, Martin Amidu was the lead campaigner of President Akufo-Addo. Na busumi bia o trokrata abekire reasons why NDC should not be re-elected. Reasons why they should vote for NPP. Na Martin Amidu actually nyina mane beda ho pefia honorable ma me bre ma me nkasa o kasa me tia man kasa man kasa
because that only
inti Martin Amidu enye President Akufo-Addo opponent. In fact, that's even beside the point. Yaman adwuma se onye adwuma no ye di position ni ma Martin Amidu no ye nimsem a ye nuanom MPP for kan. In fact, ebinom kra de o mo board dance and na me video ba ko a me ame wo fa hanke kwaku ba ko osa Martin Amidu aba ene asem no enya ye den.
I hope so on to so nka se obesa ofi ha.
Oh, osa opi setem. Osa ko sa ba ko joy news anke utie me ame chia. Nti na MPP for were very expectant say Martin Amidu se obecheche NDC for so obeye den obi anim. Dia kofa asem we nyina ba Martin Amidu say ontimi ne mampani Akufo-Addo nya adwuma bio no ene say enye ma President Akufo-Addo ne ma Martin Amidu kwan say onkohwehwe Japadi mu. Let us state the fact. Honorable say onnimu a me ka kire President Akufo-Addo Japadi liba yi onwo wada. He has never commissioned any investigation on kan bibia amfa ho. Eye Martin Amidu no an de ne pe efiti ase yes an hwehwemu we. Nti emfa President Akufo-Addo ho hwe. Ade a President Akufo-Addo de ama Martin Amidu so won hwehwem. Eye ne ema mienu pe. Airbus ene papa no ano wo PPA no. Your friend is saying ajenim Public Procurement Authority penny no. Nti sa Japadi li enye President Akufo-Addo na de ma Martin Amidu. Martin no an ekoye ne hwehwemu. Ehwehwemu o ye no so no. Na yaka ho asem bebre. NDC for kan ho asem. Parliament for gi atum kra no. NDC for dom kuma e wo mrahye beje fie sorry pie mu ka say sa kro no we de omo pese omo beka ho. Civil society organizations e kan bom bebre. E tro letter kra koma mampani say sa de no enye ye nyai mo anyai e na mo course. E na Martin Amidu akoye nhwehwemu di abetu dwa say krono wo sa de no. Na nipa a odi sa krono nanim no. Eye mampani Akufo-Addo ne maame nua ba on na finance minister. You see, ya kasafa abusua mamu a ekoso yes
specifically.
Oh yes, specifically. O say a fraud, o say a opaque, o say a what no you see no kra enye transparent. I want to find the appropriate word. Chrono no kra dey make a understatement.
Inti chrono no enye chrono as in so be
or say a fraud, say a frauder.
And so fraud in your
I remember going to take you off.
Sir.
So be a fraudulent and just say a chrono.
Just and chino be an amateur papa.
Oh,
Fraud then. Fraud no, so boy wo chino. Mementi ase e fraud no. Say me akani chini any chrono. Fraud ye obi de na adwene afa ho abebu obi afa so. Waka say ye tuatua ho sika kra. Okay. Ama binum ensaka bia omo am nsaka sika ni nyina so are related to the president. And ode ne report betu dwa. Ode report ne koma amampani no. Na mampani asoma ne chief of staff. Afre atrocrat akoma matena medu say ohia no Flagstaff House. Okoya asem a ye maame frem opare de beto maten anim ne say mampani akufu ade say asem na ode abre no no. Ma omo ho wa kosi say obi hu no. And when they can raise the first flag, red flag. Obia one so many pano. Why you shushimu or the home crat abrel. The assessor will yell on ye. Other now friendly panel and say, so when she a woman penina, ma on can once a more baby. No crack obeshia man penny. Obeshia man penny as a man penny catcher and say, Onya sem mano. So I report now why you need no Onya one no become once. Next, I say. Upesa wo kata krono na akoso no so ana Martin free one obetro letter e de betu dwa say why report or the ho asem akoma mampani
just a bit of it because some hwe be kura report no oka fraud no.
Okay.
Minyan hui ba se bia wo hu abetimi adrom attention and you know me can report na ankasa copy of which abeme wo ha say enti to aso so hu
ana minim de wo hu wo ho
na me say to aso hu ana wa kan kire me
Sammy kasa nti adi so kasa minya kasa no na me hwehwe answer
da bi say wo ye nyina na ye.
Okay. Nti lawyer Martin ebe ka kire ye say mampani se mo nka asem no ho hwe onyae ma no ene ono e de betu dwa o de betu dwa no mampani a o se Martin ka asem no ho hwe onyae ma no no the solution ne say nipa ya bo no kwa adu say odi kro no na nim no ono ansan fa asem no nsan kom rahye bedwafie emrahye bedwafie ho nso dom kuma ne say sa asem we omo pese omo be ka ho MPP fo nko an agitum honorable Carlos ti he wo ka ho bi ene omo je sa asem ni tum parliament NDC fo na ho ne say omo pese omo be ka ho na se sia no nipa na ya bo no kwa adu say odi ade na nim e de ne company ni nuanom company abo oman ne kro no ono na president Akufo-Addo sign de asem ne ma ne say on sign hye ne foforo no on fa nkotom na hye bedwafo ani na kire say mampani ya ka de bia say okataketa asehye kankan ne proye so no wada na di e o matena medu ani
men kan
it is so tie
me person Martin bi wa ha say ne concluding paragraph report no or say this assessment or assessment no or since was in your investigation in hwehwemu no or say this assessment does not constitute an investigation.
Hey, assessment.
Even though formal investigations for the suspected commission of corruption and corruption-related offences may arise from this corruption risk assessment. It is not the work of the commission or committee of inquiry. It is what it is, an analysis of the risk of corruption and anti-corruption assessment of the transaction documents. It partakes in the nature of a compliance audit or an Inspector General's report which needs to be taken seriously if corruption and corruption-related offences have to be made high-risk enterprises for public officers in Ghana, as promised by His Excellency the President of Ghana. Signed, Martin Amidu, date now the Shasia. So it wasn't an investigation. It was a risk assessment, no, yeah.
Risk assessment.
And I believe so. The difference between a risk assessment and a investigation.
Before you come to a conclusion on risk assessment, you need to investigate.
But there are two different exercises.
You need investigation.
And objects on the conclusions will not be the
investigation same. Is part of the process for conducting a risk assessment. Because you cannot sit in your office without any documentation and conclude say why a risk assessment. As I say, baby, autocrat akọ parliament any ade nyina it is an investigative process ma ye nye say e be kata asem no so eye krono na Martin ahu ene ohun ye no mampani Akufo-Addo person o kata so in fact Martin accuses the president himself o say mampani Akufo-Addo ka krono no hu bi let ye odiba na anu ya o say the mampani Akufo-Addo kan say ye nya asem ne ma no no anka no it amounts to being a judge in your own court any
na what say so kan krono
o say krata no e ma kwan mo bo krono no mampani Akufo-Addo ne san ye na ansana obe san emra na ebema o mu kwan me ba lawyer
are you still insisting so obi aka krono asem
yes o say you're fraudulent a lack of transparency
fraud ewum
lawyer ni krono bi
so
se me
document bi awo
me kaseria me ma
because the document no wa hase
is a lawyer so me hana
ebra na uni ho no o kana se me ne nya adwuna
lawyer started 5 minutes when I'm betting her
but the can say we are educating the public anti so
o mama no nsi me wia me yi ba bia fraud no wo say lawyer still want me to fraud mu
you see I'm not even going to go there until I have seen say
me and who to cheap that be you person me kire say fraud as e kire say wo twi me say e krono go say ntisa ntika wo kan wo twi de na aboa ye nyina na
there be you see the first head no cry and clear
me cause
ya go kire ase into the
there be say fraud nye Martin Amidu dia nye president Akufo-Addo dia fraud your English language it say ya kire fraud mu e de abatwi a e kire sen me menti ase wo fraud mu no e ye krono in fact e nyansa krono
say uhu no wo report no
nti e wo report no me yi a kire nti president Akufo-Addo ade a wo ye ne say obe kata ejapadi no so fi say ni nua o ma me nua ba pe na finance minister ade ne fa no ana Martin a kire mu say emra na e ma ho kwan ma o mo boss akro no sa mra no bra ye gi tu mu o parliament no na mampani Akufo-Addo nyansan e ma ne nye mra ena majority for ne dia ho pepre say chinchina yangi deal no ntum e ka ho bi na minority for no e free parliament iti Martin accuse president Akufo-Addo say ono na boa ma sa akro no etimi course enti say sakrata na betodwa na wo ka say jai mame e wa bra wo accuse in the reporter it amounts to say wo ye atemuafo e wo wan kasa wasem libia pepe iti dia todwa no apa mampani Akufo-Addo hontoma se nanu na wode kan fafa se obe boketa asehye ho proye obe boketa asehye ho proye no ono anadanfo ohutini Martin Amidu abepa ne hontoma se enye no kure na se sia se Martin Amidu a mampani gi ni di yeso one ne be ko atia keta asehye ne proye o se wontimi ne mampani nya adwuma biema Ghana fo ne ebetimi ne Akufo-Addo aye adwuma it cements the matter say keta asehye ne proye mampani Akufo-Addo kan yeso obekon atia na de bia ye ka say krono ne ba na wakata so krono ne ba na wakata so niema bebre ni deputy minister na wakodi visa akwajeje nkofo sika journalist a omunye journalist ne de omko ehun asem ba ye Martin Amidu so ohwehwem na police fo abase onye hwe na mampani sa de na adwuma ama no hwe PPA ni oba be gi post na sika da na account me 45,000 Ghana cedi enfiem ye nu ntem sika akogu na account 45 million Ghana cedis
okay
hwe ECG kwan a ofa so a ni nuanom ne nabusuafo ofa so ekoton ECG ma PDS ama Ghana ahwiri sika bebre ebesi ne yentimi nkan ho asem eno minister ono ani minister of energy na beka say eye krono eye fraudulent up to now yentimi prosecute obia enti asema de bia ye ka say mampani Akufo-Addo ntimi nkuntia keta asehye kankan ne proye keta asehye kankan ne proye no ni fie Flagstaff House on ne noa ni acheche aduane na ma obi anya bia di
okay
nti ne ohuti ni Martin Amidu abeka so ntimi ne Akufo-Addo nya adwuma because of keta asehye kankan ne proya eye simple Ghana for ntimi ne nya adwuma the only way to resolve this Ejapa deal is to vote Akufo-Addo out
in your dreams
and vote NDC majority in parliament
all right
send the next parliament can have time to go into this deal.
What do
na
you campaign?
Yebema Mampeni John Dramani Mahama no aba say no. Inti me ba
and I'm giving 3 minutes.
Okay. First and foremost, me be say me nua broja na NDC for ni ati ase say no corruption has been perpetrated. Matiamidu adwuma no ye no is part of the business of preventing corruption. And why you initial assessment. Send a woody kakemede. A assessment or assessment also any okay, assessment is a type of investigation. Because
so you agree with
yes, good.
You have to go
I would say assessment investigation different women's assessments or better documents or why an assessment. Investigation be our friend panel to we want fruit be to or the document
but said the effect is different.
It comes to the same thing if you ask me.
Yes, the effects are different.
The effects are different, of course, because like obi be try and catch them abi more maybe I can be your trend go better see differently. Now, what do assessment number and chese ya bokro no sika hin businesses akro ayi akro no some okay nyina sika hin ene woman ye die why na dey sika sein ade no kra ba nya take off afei ene dey aba. No, when the president be, I will say, I deal with a buy assessment about better no. More finance one among the buy, more economic assessment of why you know. Near friend correcting in San Femra because it's a project we believe in. It's a project we think will help Ghana. Yatra Ghana more than 60 years after independence. Proper maximization of mineral royalties. Bia. Ebi bebem afi bebem bia. Ebi faze. Sebi $2 million, $3 million. Say between the side no a consolidated ya jibisi baby ya bo man near the side na tria e be boy nyina and ya dream pa and the actually name ya city kro kwa ginanti no e bi omo me ya de ne ba ye no omo over omo nhwe baby on ma atochima enti oni ba kro na oye in response wa hwem wakwa kohwe baby ofosa atochima no ya de ma o back se kokohwe na ye ni ye na fabra boy boni be ne wom moti won mo ama Matiamidu to me appointed as a government official one embassy mu a friend say President Mahame want me for the same ahoden anka sa asemi want me for the same strength aboso dog Ghana for ntoma mo ontoma na mo san kwa embassy bio ye ntoma mo na mo kwa embassy bio I expect to say anka President Mahame nya
okan say or a government official one what is the effect?
The effect this come is present NDC for baba adabeka
no not NDC for yes no as OSP no I mean okan say we na so business and so what
ne say into oguso yan investigations na final report them are out but to crack chakra man is a wo pair for wa lawyer for do achibra na be transmit to na hwe say wo be afrian man class akwa it tells a certain story say yaka corruption na mo dia credit has been established say ya been established kai wom I say one SO5 as one took the money on behalf of government official one. And what are you talking about? Papa let me establish it. Says that ever scandal amount of involved. Nipo waji, nipo ye ni I establish it ni na. Wait there, a special prosecutor.
Oh really?
Oh yes.
I see.
Oh yes. He has come out to determine.
Report out.
Me say, on one person is snipers of information. They are out, no.
Me just a report were out. And then your church will be no. The office and yet your church on the personal letters. And report them are out. But what is the parable of the ugly monkey? You see, one in Uncle Trans baby did Omu did we and you see the ugliest amongst us will wash the dishes. No monkey, sorry. Me I won't wash. Obi molding. I don't know papa na kana sem. Na ene wo be som na wo di na tem say oh you stupid or you coward or you hwan. Asmo kan you make reference to him.
When or make reference to a special prosecutor.
Exactly. So enye monkey asem no bi na ye.
Bia.
Me just say one refer to President Mama.
What say or indication say passport na you say you sign ma ni nua no. E you no sign ma ni nua no, which is a fact. Or indication say GO1 no no enti
so specifically so abodi enti we nye monkey asem
okay anya monkey asem me question is say me bisa NDC for no say adena BBC buy na ne man from ahode the same strength the same your friend is saying ahode no amfa ni akiri and they Ghana for some to abamamo na momra na mombeku yen mo na ne mandumi amfa no maba be fa kwa koshim Ghana for to amamamo na ne mandumi andi no maba be fa kwa kodibio and they are answer. Ghana for your some mistake ni be mu da.
Okay.
Because you who so fast.
All right.
Sesika ya tama where you me 50 million. That mean 50 million or the any 6 million.
Let's give me your 3 minutes no.
Report na so. I was looking for the specific place. But to cut long story short, Ghana News Press, can Oforia Test Data Bank engaged in fraud? Martinamidu on a Japan deal. Clearly.
I don't need a report, no. I don't need a publication. Maybe can't report Nankasa.
So this is a publication based on the report.
But you say, publication, you'll be able to make in the comments.
And your comment, what can a woman be?
But why would you leave the report Nankasa now?
Publication. I was saying, can't report. So this is a story based on the report.
But they are not the same.
Kasafa, a procurement rigging, fraud. Opaque and yet transparent any idea in our womb. All right. Ni American de akosi nyina ne say I will not be diverted by Airbus and Ibia. A Japan deal and ho abasem. A Japan deal no nipa odi animu mampani Akufo-Addo ni nua pepepe. Ya free sika we Japan deal we mu. Empanifo aye fa wo say wo na entufo ewo saa a Japan deal we muno. Eye mampani Akufo-Addo. Ne maame nua baako, ne maame nua baako a ye friend Gabi Asorochire daako. Oka ho bi. In fact, ono aba abonten abeji atum say yetua ne ka. You are spending more than $2 million just on transaction advisors. Aman finance minister no so company a data bank so enya so mfaso. Nti abusiafo kakra bi na omafa Ghana Japade so omo de kobo besia bosia ni bomu no abetodwa se krono abem ekwan be na Ghana fo be fa so a yensa betimi aka yesika ekwan be na Ghana fo be fa so a ye betimi ahwese pre yo ebeye adwuma se mampani Akufo-Addo tiso se mampani sa asemu yi yentimi humuda efise matenami dukura na owa akukudura enka mampani be suro ni kakra no watu ne na yetia ne na so se asem no onya ma no no abeka ne se ne awopɛ no ama mampani na de krata abetodwa se ni nua na yabɔ ne kwadu se odi ade na nim boy krono no ɔno a na yensan fa krata ne nkɔma no no san fa nkɔ parliament nkɔma MPs na asem bɛn na ɔmo ka kyerɛ yi enti kwai ba ko pɛpɛ ene yebetimi afa so asiesie sa asem yi
okay
ene se yebeto aba na chebedwafo ebeye NDC fo dodo ofie ho if you say omo na hu say krono wo ma omo sorry free ho enti they can be the best to make sure that sad deal we and go through they tosu mienu nipa na wo se yenya asem ne ma no ye yi ni free wa asem ne beka Flagstaff House abankesiem mampani John Mahama beka akohumu ye be fia no ama obi a sika akodi ni ho obi a wabo oman ne krono obi a nko nam kwan so san bebo krono bio no yetimi ahom nyina
okay
simple and tietia Martin say ontimi ni Akufo-Addo nya adwuma bio Ghana for nso say yentimi ni Akufo-Addo nya adwuma bio asem ni tietia mu ano
member of parliament of the MP
ebas ne hia
tietia mu ano no
young man Brojajamfi ever young
lawyer
Brojajamfi kasama NDC ono no oye international
na say me hear say nka o beba campaign if say abana de Mahama afa o nti
so on frame
mo amefro you say ipa na eba no endorse nti no
okay
election way there's no way say
all right
MPP person
enti pan inform them as pa mo fan share say sorry ntem so me say
ona kwa kunya no kreke
ye pagya mu o chanya me ya
ye kodi nkoma no
menya campaign